Look how far the snow come. This is my doorway. Look. Don't open the door, don't make it fall on. Look. See how high the snow is? I just opened my door to see. Eh? Look it. Wow. And they come in, they just come and start cleaning the walkway. So I guess they're gonna come, they use a machine and make a path. So see how high the snow was?
Look.
Eh? So the bank in there. Wow. Eh? Look, and that's a 4-way drive and it's all he can look. He's skidding. Watch it. Watch it. You have to be careful of the street. It's a lot of snow. Watch it.
It looks like it's like 20 feet.
It's like he can't go up in the lane 'cause I don't think the lane clean. Watch it. He can't go up in there because the lane not clean. The lane is not clean. So that even if you drive a 4-way vehicle. See there, you have to back up and all of that. You can't go up in there. See there. There's a lot of snow out there. Wow. We really get it this year, snow. Yeah, see they come and they cleaning. Yeah. Come out that way right now, get your robe or something, it's cold.